Linking your bank account to Slack can streamline your financial transactions and enhance your teammates' productivity. Follow these steps to set up the connection. Step 1. Open Slack. Launch the Slack application on your desktop or mobile device. Ensure you are logged into the workspace where you want to link your bank account. Step 2. Access Settings. Click on your workspace name at the top left corner of the Slack interface. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Administration, then choose Manage Apps to access the app directory. Step 3. Find a banking app. In the app directory, search for a banking or financial management app that integrates with Slack. Popular options include apps like QuickBooks or Expensify. Click on the app to view its details. Step 4. Install the app. Follow the prompts to install the chosen banking app. You may need to grant permissions for the app to access your Slack workspace. Make sure to read the permissions carefully before proceeding. Step 5. Link your bank account. Once the app is installed, follow the instructions provided by the app to link your bank account. This usually involves entering your bank credentials and verifying your identity through a secure process. After completing these steps, your bank account should be successfully linked to Slack. This integration can help you manage finances more efficiently within your workspace.